welcome to Destination Lifestyle, where I'm on a journey to an amazing lifestyle featuring influences of fashion and travel and all things in between. If that's your vibe, then keep watching because, honey, girl, we gonna get along great over here, okay? All right, with that being said, I am Nikki and I'm fairly new to YouTube and I'm standing strong with a strong, cool, sexy 700 subscribers. That really excites me. I can't wait till I get to the point where it's gonna be like, oh my gosh, I said 700 subscribers in and then I'm at 7,000 subscribers. Y'all, I can't not wait. It's so cute and cool over here, YouTube. I was over at Instagram and my page on Instagram got hacked, but this is my page here. My page was hacked at about 20,000 and you know, like, we're just gonna grow that back organically, just like we're growing this YouTube organically. All right, honey, so today we're going to talk about summer looks. But before we get into that, let's just get into this outfit of the day. I am wearing a Gucci button-up that I scored, of course, in Paris because, honey, I like to save money. Ain't no fool now. She gonna have to get that VAT. Also, what am I wearing? Bulgari watch. This is like almost a staple for me. No, this is really a staple for me, this Hermes cuff here. And I'm wearing a pair of Zara shorts because your girl likes to keep it high and low. And I'm not really wearing shoes in the house, but when I walk out the door, I'm going to be wearing these little Samba sneakers here. I love these, they're so cute. And minimal jewelry. I have these actually got these two little earrings from Amazon, as well as this silver and gold little small hoop. These are so cute because it's like silver and gold. I love mixing the metals, and just a little basic nameplate and I think a little small herringbone chain. And of course, honey, your girl wears glasses now. These were I said if I have to wear glasses, then my glasses were going to have to be like chef's kiss. And honey, how did I do? These are Anna Karen Carlson glasses, and these were the only glasses I was gonna buy. I tried on Chanel, I tried on Tom Ford, I tried on Prada, and I was just like, these are just so plain. And if I'm going to have to wear glasses, honey, they're gonna have to make a statement. And what a statement she's making. If I'm gonna have to be 4-eyed. Oh, one more thing. I did this in a previous vlog, but my fragrance of the day is by Acne Studio times Frederick Mall. This fragrance smells so freaking delicious. When I smell this, I discovered this scent inside Galeries Lafayette in Paris, of course, and I didn't buy it there because your girl likes samples, and they didn't have any samples in Galeries Lafayette. So I was like, yeah, your girl gonna go to the boutique, where I usually like to shop perfumes at the actual perfume boutique. So I went to the boutique, scored the fragrance, scored samples. Life was good. All right, guys. So today, let's talk about summer looks. Summer is my zhuzh. And so with that being said, I'm not gonna rumble too much more. Let's just hop into a few summer looks that I have put together for you honeys. And we did actually add Nikki Beach Swim to this. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to transform my bathing suits into a whole look. Because you know, it's like I like my bathing suits to kind of turn into a bodysuit. So I'm gonna show you guys definitely how I transformed my golden hour bathing suit into a look. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just get into the looks right now, okay? Okay, honey, so we're definitely going to start with Nikki Beach Swim for the first outfit. I like to call this bathing suit golden hour because it's definitely everything. We'll just throw that over there. It's definitely giving sparkle, giving gold. It's like the perfect bathing suit. It's sexy, yet it still holds a little something to the imagination, but yet it's still sexy and modern. All right, so what I want to do is show you how we can take this bad girl from the pool to just a casual day in on vacation or wherever you may go. So let's add some jeans to this. We're gonna make it a bodysuit, okay? This is the back, the one sleeve, and let's just add jeans. Voila. So these are my new Prada jeans that I had. They were like a must-have when I got them. I am actually 140 pounds, 5'6", and love these jeans. They're giving that paper bag feel. They're kind of oversized, and that's what I kind of love about them. And also, oh, the back of the jeans have this little gold Prada emblem here, and so that's why I wanted to pair it with this Nikki Beach swim bathing suit. So right now it's actually a bodysuit, and we're just gonna spice it up a little bit more by just adding the accessories. And I want to kind of keep the razzle and dazzle with the metallic and the gold. So let's just, what accessories can we add with it? I actually just ordered gold sandals. I'll put the gold sandals here that I just ordered. In my wardrobe, I thought I was a gold girl, and I love gold. You know, all of my jewelry is gold. But when I went to look at my bags and my shoes, like all of my accessories, everything was silver. So until my shoes arrive, let's just mix it up a little bit. Let's play around with the metallics, okay? All right, honey, so I added this little So I added this little Chanel chain belt to jazz it up, and I'm going to add silver, yes, silver, metallic or run sandals. These things are so old, like, oops, sorry if that's loud. They're so old, but they're a staple. So yeah, we're gonna keep those in our wardrobe. And so there we go, silver shoes. And now let's add a bag. All right, honey, so I'm adding my silver metallic Chanel 19 bag to this look, and it's just giving all of the looks, like I said. And I would probably wear this, you know, like maybe not on a beach, but if I'm going to Mykonos, maybe I'll take it and I'll wear it to wear it while I'm in Athens the day before I arrive in Mykonos. And I think this would be such a cute outfit, like on a day out shopping. All right, honeys, how do I look? Let's go to the next outfit. So first of all, this dress speaks for itself. Like, do you see the fringe and shishi of this dress? This is bananas, right? All right, don't worry, everything will be linked. I'm actually pairing this green dress here with my little Chanel. What are these, like mules or they're sandals? I don't know, but I'm gonna pair this dress, and I'm gonna keep it in the green family, because sometimes I like to be matchy-matchy, and you know, sometimes I'm a little over the top, and today is one of those days that I want to be over the top. So now let's add accessories. All right, so I've added Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. They are giving cat eye vibes, and a bag. I definitely need a bag, and let's just go ahead on and go all out with all of the green. I've added this lime Birkin with the gold hardware to just give me a very over-the-top feel. And I can definitely see myself in the south of France with this outfit on. It's totally giving beach vibes, you know, walking down the La Crusette in Cannes or in Monaco, just, you know, walking around Billionaire's row. And yeah, I should fit right in. Well, I should look like I fit right in. Hey, you gotta practice, right? I want to practice being a billionaire before I'm a billionaire. Hopefully Nikki Beach Swim will just take me, just skyrocket me to that next level. But yeah, what do you think? I'm doing just like a monochromatic green. Everything's green. The sunglasses, the dress, the shoes, and the bag. There are different shades of green, but like, who wants to just match completely all the time? Not all the time, but definitely, this is definitely taking me there. What do you guys think? Okay, honeys, next outfit. This outfit is totally taking me to Southern Italy. I mean, it's giving me Capri, it's giving me Positano, the yellow for the lemon trees, Limoncello of course, and the blue for the blue ocean. I'm actually wearing this little outfit here and it's so cute. It's so lightweight. It's perfect for Southern Italy. The last time I was in Italy, it was so freaking hot. It was like bananas. And so this outfit here would have been perfect. I love that this outfit has pockets. I paired it with my Nikki Beach Swim Limoncello swimming top. Perfect. I'm gonna just throw this little shirt on over it so you can kind of, you know, like wear it with the shirt open. You can probably even tie it to give it more of like a little crop top feel. I think this is so cute. I'm actually also wearing my Limoncello headband that I have at Nikki Beach Swim. I'm not sure if I still have these in stock, but isn't this so cute? This is so stinking cute. I love the lime green on the back too. That's what I'm working on next, a lime green bathing suit. But other than that, I definitely am a matchy girl when it comes to my accessories. I love for my purse and my shoes to match. We'll probably end up matching this set with a yellow bag. I'll show you the yellow bag in a second. I do have yellow sandals. They're probably in a pile somewhere. I can't find them, but let me just show you the bag. Like I said, I'm gonna bring out the yellow that's in the pants, the yellow that's in the top, and my headband. I chose this lambskin yellow Chanel to just, you know, bring it out more. And to bring out the blue in the pants, I chose these Loewe sunglasses here. They're frameless. Totally in love with this set here. And I can't wait to wear it on vacation. Will I debut it in Italy or where? Doesn't matter, it's cute. You can just wear it to Trader Joe's down the street, but you definitely be looking cute and fierce. Loves it. What do you guys think? Okay, honeys, did we get into the looks? Like, did we like the looks? They're cute little looks, you know, like if you were vacationing in maybe the south of France and southern Italy, Marbella. Yeah, we love Spain, honey. I love Spain. And especially, like, if you like Zara, you should love Spain, because as soon as you hit Spain, take your little booty right on to Zara, because, honey, the price are almost, I feel like, half the price. And then you get a VAT back if you spend over $100, 100 euro or whatever. All right, definitely, if you like the video, definitely give me a thumbs up. I like these videos because they're like micro videos. They're probably like 10 minutes or under, give or take, you know, 10 minutes or more. And I get to get the videos out, you know, fast. I can edit them fast. And what else? Because I'm already shopping every day. We're just like, so we're gonna just try to get into these little micro videos because they're fun and they're cool, and I get to take you guys, you know, shopping with me or to dinner with me, or we're just gonna do like, you know, little date night outfits. And we don't want to, like, I don't want to hold you all day, so that's what we're gonna start doing, little micro videos. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely like and subscribe, and leave me comments. And, you know, if you think that I should be doing something else, definitely comment that. You know, I read everything. Also, what else do I have to say? Vacation recommendations. I'm going somewhere new this year. I can't wait to go. It's in the Mediterranean. Also, if you need vacation recommendations, let a sister know. Just ask me, honey, because she be everywhere. Any and everywhere, honey. I rarely stay at home. I'm rarely at home. By the way, I live in Washington, D.C. A lot of people message me and ask me that. My clothes reside in Washington, D.C. I live in the world. I'm a world citizen, okay? So you can never, my friends are always asking me, like sometimes they'll invite me places and be like, are you even in town? And I'm like, girl, invite me anyway. I mean, if I'm in town, I'm coming, okay? If I ain't in town, then I'll let you know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. If this is your second time, third time, if you're not new here, Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you guys because like I said, I'm new to YouTube. I love it here. It's fun. And you know, I kind of get to talk and do my thing. And it's not even like I'm talking to myself because I'm talking to you honeys, okay? All right, guys, like I said, don't forget, subscribe to my Instagram account. I'll leave my handles are in the, what do you call it? The intro. And I'll put it here too. All right, honeys, thank you so very much. Like I said, and I will see you guys next week. Oh yeah, I'm actually packing at the moment because we are going to, by the time you see this video, I will be in the air on my way to the Billionaire's playground. I've been to Monaco like so many times, but the last few times I've been, I haven't actually stayed in Monaco. I've driven to Monaco on my way to maybe like Saint-Tropez or something like that, but I always stop in Monaco and have like a whole day in Monaco to shop and eat and do all the things. So this time I'm actually staying in Monaco again. Last time I stayed at the Metropole. If you've never heard of the Metropole, it's like they have like a Michelin star restaurant there, and I have eaten at that restaurant. It was so good. So I'm gonna have to call and see if maybe I can get another reservation there. I'm not actually staying at that hotel this time. I'm gonna stay somewhere else, but I'm gonna see if I can get a reservation at this restaurant. I can't even think of the name, but it was so good. When I think of the name, I'm gonna like plug the name here. But yeah, that restaurant was chef's kiss, and yeah, I definitely enjoyed that. So yeah, by the time you get this video, I will be in the air, hopefully on my way to Monaco, Billionaire's playground, honey. And I'm gonna take some really cute things because, I mean, if I'm at Billionaire's playground, then I better be looking like at least a millionaire, right? Honey, all right, your favorite auntie, your favorite rich auntie is logged off, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.